Resurrection Serum Vehicle Restorer from Resurrection Car Care is a vehicle care product aimed at people who want to improve the appearance of faded, oxidized, dull, or weathered automotive surfaces without immediately resorting to professional paint correction or repainting. The product is presented as a relatively straightforward DIY solution, with a main focus being on restoring the visual depth, color, clarity, and gloss of exterior surfaces that have become tired-looking over time. For vehicle owners who prefer handling basic detailing work themselves, the concept is appealing because it is designed to be applied by hand rather than requiring a polishing machine, sanding equipment, or extensive detailing experience. That said, expectations are important with a product like this because the condition of automotive paint can vary significantly from one vehicle to another. A car with moderate fading or oxidation may potentially show a more noticeable cosmetic improvement than a vehicle suffering from deep scratches, peeling clear coat, severe paint failure, or other structural damage to the finish. In that sense, Resurrection Serum is better viewed as a restoration and appearance enhancement product rather than a complete solution for damaged paint. One of the more convenient aspects of the product is its intended application process. The vehicle needs to be properly cleaned and dried before the serum is applied, which is an important step because dirt, grease, dust, and other contaminants can interfere with the consistency of the treatment. Although the process is simpler than a traditional machine polishing or paint correction procedure, users still need to take their time to prepare the surface and apply the serum evenly. A rushed application could potentially lead to an inconsistent appearance, particularly on larger panels. This means that while the product is marketed toward DIY users, getting the best possible cosmetic results still requires patience and attention to detail. It is also sensible to work in appropriate environmental conditions, particularly because the product requires a curing period after application. The manufacturer's recommendation to keep the treated vehicle dry and undisturbed for around 48 hours means that users should ideally choose a suitable period with little chance of rain, washing, or other exposure that could interfere with the treatment.